The 7K health plan is a benefit of joining 7K Metals. And once again, my name's Todd Palm. I'll be presenting tonight. And I've worked 30 plus years in healthcare IT. And I'm self-employed now since 2009 as a healthcare systems consultant. I've helped 4 different health plans implement the Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act. That's otherwise known as PPACA, or you may know it as Obamacare. So I've also implemented benefits and pricing. So when a doctor's billing office submitted a claim, it paid according to their contracted rates. I've also implemented HIPAA. You might have heard of that. The Health Insurance Protection and Affordability Act. Sarbanes-Oxley, which you probably had never heard of. That was a financial reporting piece. That was the government's response to Enron. Y2K. Upgraded some computer systems to accept 4-digit years. That was what Y2K was all about. ICD-10, that was the International Classification of Diseases, version 10. The US was on ICD-9 for the longest time. They were the last major country to go up on it, and the government kept delaying it. So I helped the health plan implement it a year before the government actually made it active as a law. And then I also implemented the Medicare Part C EOB and the Medicare Diabetes Prevention Program. So I configured all that so it would work in the system. So when it comes to healthcare, I do have plenty of experience. Now, the 7K health plan, it's available to anyone who joins 7K Metals, whether you join at the $199 or the $499. You have this as a benefit. And there's no qualifications. The only qualification really is you have to be under 65, because once you're 65, you're eligible for Medicare. But you don't have to reach a certain rank or have a certain amount of points. And it's a viable alternative to the PPACA plans available on healthcare.gov. And it meets and exceeds the minimum essential coverage guidelines under the law. That's ERISA compliant. That's the Employee Retiree Income Security Act of 1975. All health plans have to be ERISA compliant. And it's administered by free market administrators. It has prescription drug coverage by ServU Rx. That's the pharmacy benefit manager, otherwise known as the PBM. They have 2 networks. One is the PHCS Nationwide Provider Network, 5,000 hospitals, 70,000 ancillary facilities, and 770,000 practitioners. So there's a good chance that your doctor's in network. And their second network is the Provider Network of America Enhanced, PNOAE. And that's as of January this year, 2021. This adds another 200,000 providers. So there's almost 1 million doctors and other healthcare providers in here. So you have a good chance of being in network. There are no pre-existing condition exclusions for the health plan. There are no deductibles, but there are annual maximum benefits, but this keeps the premium cost low. You get unlimited in-network primary care doctor visits for a $10 copay, unlimited urgent care visits for a $25 copay, and your preventive care is covered at no cost. That's when you have no prevailing symptoms. You also get a dental and a vision plan, and that's administered by Carrington. So that's included in the 7K health plan. There are 4 plans available. Plan A, that has an individual annual maximum benefit of $10,000 and a family maximum benefit of $20,000. And your out-of-pocket max, that's the amount that you'll spend, exactly what it sounds like, out of pocket. But that's $5,000 individual, $10,000 family, because it's 50% coinsurance. So 50% of the maximum benefit for individual is $5,000. 50% of the family, $20,000, is $10,000. Therefore, that's your out-of-pocket max for the year. Now we have Plan B. This one has an individual annual maximum benefit of $20,000 and family of $40,000. But the out-of-pocket max, you would think that would double, right? But it doesn't. Individual is $7,000, family is $14,000, because the coinsurance is 50% on the first $10,000, but it's 20% on the second $10,000. So that's where the $7,000 and $14,000 comes from. And then Plan C, that has the same annual maximum benefit as Plan B, but it also contains another $25,000 of enhanced benefits. Family, that's $40,000, just like Plan B, but it can also, you get another $50,000 of enhanced benefits, and that has the same out-of-pocket max as Plan B. The extra enhanced benefits are for inpatient hospital, outpatient surgery, and professional services. The fourth option here is the essential primary care. It's essential primary care and drug savings. So this is for individuals between 2 and 65. That means you have to be older than 1 and younger than 65. Pre-existing conditions are accepted within manageable ranges. You get unlimited virtual DPC, that's direct primary care at no cost to you. Unlimited primary care, same $10 visit fee. Unlimited urgent care, same $25 visit fee. You get an annual physical with 4 labs included. And then there are unlimited chronic disease management for 13 different conditions, including hypertension, diabetes. There's a few in there. And then you get the value script discount prescription membership. You get discount lab testing, and you get a virtual clinic. That's all with this plan. Now, all the plans include the vision and dental discount plan. That's included at the health plan at no additional cost. And that has the Carrington POS dental network, that's the point of service dental network, and the BSP Vision Savings Pass. You get the LASIK Vision Network. And that has $800 savings on a custom LASIK through LASIK Plus with free enhancements for life, plus a free LASIK exam. And here's an example of the savings on the dental. So typically, you go to the dentist for a routine checkup, an adult cleaning, and maybe 4 bite wing x-rays. Okay? That typically retail would come to $299. And a lot of people don't go to the dentist because they don't know what it's going to cost. But this is a savings plan. So under this savings plan, that routine checkup, adult cleaning, and 4 bite wing x-rays would come to $130. The Vision Savings Pass is really good. You with VSP, you get all your eye exams only cost $50. And you get 15% savings on contact lens. You get special pricing on glasses and sunglasses. You get unlimited use on the materials throughout the year. You get lots of member extras. So, the cost is available. You get 20% off an eye exam only when you purchase a complete pair of glasses. Well, the $50 for the exam is when you purchase the glasses also. Otherwise, it's just 20% off an eye exam. And then 15% savings on the contact lens exams, not the materials. You're responsible for 100% of the contact lens material costs. And this plan is not insurance, it's a savings plan, and it's not available in the state of Washington or Vermont. So here's what it costs. The Plan A with the $10,000 individual maximum and the $20,000 family maximum, that's as low as $274 a month for an employee only, 18 to 49 years, and as high as $629 a month for a member between the ages of 50 and 64. Plan B with the $20,000 maximum benefit and for individuals and $40,000 for family, that's as low as $333 if you're between the ages of 18 and 49 and it's only you. And it goes as high as $836 for the employee plus family between the ages of 50 to 64. Plan C, which has the most of the benefits, if it's just you and you're between the ages of 18 to 49, it's $392 for you. And this goes up to as high as $1,048 for employee plus family. That was what I got originally. And it saved me, it was a whole lot less than what I was paying for an Affordable Care Act plan. I was paying over $2,000 for a month for the Affordable Care Act plan. And here is our essential primary care member cost. And this doesn't have age breakdowns, It's just you have to be within that age range, older than 1 and younger than 65. And it's $114 for the member and $185 for the member plus 1, $250 for the member plus 2. And if you have a big family, you can all be covered for $314. Now, there's also a catastrophic benefits and a health share program. And this is your insurance against the unexpected. So if you get a diagnosis you didn't expect, and it's also the answer to the low annual benefit limits of plans A, B, and C. It has a pre-existing clause, but that just means if you've been treated for a condition in the last 12 months, there's just a 6-month waiting period. You can share $150,000, $250,000, or $500,000 of your out-of-pocket cost annually for a small monthly contribution amount that you can select when you sign up for the health plan. This is paid for by other members of the health share plan making contribution payments. This is how you share your big bills. And your responsibility is just the first $20,000 of the shared amount. So here's how it works. So you can pick, the 150 to 250 or 500, and double that is what you can share lifetime. So you could share as much as $1 million in bills with that $500,000 plan. And here's the premiums on the $150,000. It's as low as $104 for a member 18 to 39, as high as $282 for family for a member, the primary member is between the ages of 60 and 64. The $250,000 one is as low as $179.16 a month, and that's your contribution amount because you're helping pay for others' bills as well. And this is as high as $382 for a 60 to 64-year-old member for $250,000. And then if the $500,000 amount, that's as low as just $198.17 for 18 to 39, and as much as $425 for family ages 60 to 64. But there's more. You can offer the 7K health plan to employers with more than 2 employees. A license is required to offer the catastrophic plan, but you can refer them to the experts at SBA Co-op. You have a link that's unique to you that you can share with employer groups. It's in your back office. So you go to links in your back office and you click 7K health groups, and right here at the bottom is a link you'll get the same kind of unique link, and then you can share that. I would recommend going to GoDaddy and getting a shortened version of a URL that you can forward to to your link, and then that's what you can give to employers. Now, your health plans also generate points for your team, and it creates cycles in the compensation plan, just like the medals do. Individual plans, every month premium is paid 15 points. Family plans, every month premium is paid 20 points. There are provider lookup tools, which I'm not going to do in this demo because I want to keep it short, but once you go look it up, you can actually go look up each one of the providers in the network to make sure your doctor's there. And even better, if your doctor's not there, you can actually you can invite your doctor from each one of these lookup sites. So if there are no questions, that's the presentation.
Hey team, Madiba Thompson here, co-founder of the Generational Wealth Group. Todd Palm, I just want to thank you for being up to speed on the enhancements that they've made to the 7K healthcare program. Listen guys, CEO of 7K, Jason Arfman, actually did an interview with Scott Fardulis, the president of the SBA Freedom Program. And if you log into your back office, you click on Dashboard and you scroll down to go to the training. Okay, once you're in there, when it pulls up, all right, then you just go click Start Training. And if you scroll to the very bottom, you'll see additional 7K training videos. Click on that, and then right there is a 7K health 7K health Zoom call that was done. So you can check that out there. Other than that, if you want to take advantage of the healthcare program, just go click on links at the bottom, and then you've got healthcare plans, Okay, when you go inside of there, you'll just click check it out, and you can scroll down to even the bottom, and there's actually a phone number, although you don't need to do that, but you can take advantage of the phone number there. And then also you've got the 7K Healthcare group plans, for those that have 2 employees or more. But, just wanted to share that information. Appreciate you all for taking the time out. It's powerful because if you choose to, as you do, decide to go on to the entrepreneur endeavor and take advantage of this from a full-time basis, well, now guess what? You can take care of your loved ones, and yourself with the 7K Healthcare program, which is real healthcare, as Todd Palm obviously made everyone aware of. So with that being said, you guys have an amazing day, and God bless.